Hello and welcome back to Crypto Schnack. For all those who are new, welcome, and for those who are not, welcome back to my channel and hope you have all a great weekend, guys. And we're just gonna dive in right into the crypto news. So we will check out today the current market situation and a few coins, how they perform. We will check the portfolio I was working on in my last two videos, and I'm going to show you more details about that. And we all hope, or I hope in this case, that you like my channel. And if you like to support me, please subscribe and hit the like button. It would really help me and I would really appreciate that. So guys, we have a turning point. We are going back up 1% at the moment, and Ethereum is just moving over the $400. So this is really significant, because remember, when Ethereum went above the $400, Bitcoin was also going towards the 12K. And when Bitcoin was at 12K, Ethereum was around $440. So this is a bullish sign, because Ethereum always moves a bit sooner, the same as Bitcoin, and the same happens with Litecoin down here. It's up 6%, which is interesting to see that we have Litecoin and Ethereum at the same time moving up. Chainlink, as I said, is stabilizing, and this is a really good and bullish signal actually for Chainlink, because if they keep staying above the $17 line, I don't think there will be a further crash downwards. So this is pretty good sign for the Chainlink investors. And then we're gonna go back down here, and we see, interestingly, that Yearn Finance, the one that is in the news because it's just going nuts. Like, honestly, it goes nuts. It has a price of $29,741. And here's the thing. It is has announced a partnership with Aave, and Yearn Finance is one of these DeFi projects. And yeah, the price, don't get confused by this. Just take it in a relation, for example, with Aave or IOTA. There are only 30,000 Yearn Finance coins. So in this case, it is no surprise that the price is that high. Okay, so in comparison, for example, if you have 79 cents, there's 1.3 billion Aave. So don't get confused by the price in this case, but you see here what kind of immense movement we have happening here right now. It was starting at $1,000 on the 27th of July. So this is like a 25 fold in just a month. This is just crazy. And yeah, let's just check out the current winners. Ample fourth going even further up. There had been a lot of gains for the Ample fourth projects. Place 60 right now. And yeah, you see we have Torchain, we have Balancer, UMA back in the gains as well. And so there's a lot of movements happening right now, especially in the smaller coins. But if you check the lines here, you see there's a lot of coins back that are in the 100, like in the top 100. And this is something that has changed to compared to 2017, where a lot of small coins which were on the 200th plates were going crazy. But if you go inside here, you see mainly the coins that are in the top 100. If we go further, we can check this out. We have some more coins going crazy in the in the second 100 to 200th position, but you see it's not as crazy as 2017. But nevertheless, I rather have smaller gains, but steady gains. So I would talk about the resistance we had right now. So before I go into this, guys, this is these are the position I'm having open right now, and in total we have position based on leverage that is just 1 second, 0.6 Bitcoin, and this is position of $5,800. So my current portfolio that I'm creating with you guys here, that you can follow, that you can ask questions, is based on that. Why? Because I leverage with 100, and for that security reason I have put in stop and loss. You can see this 500, 500, 500. For those up here I haven't done it yet because I want to see where the market moves, and I'm still not going to sleep, so I still have some time to follow this, but I will put some stop loss in there tonight. So let's move into the charts. So we have these positions open, and I will just close it. You have seen them right now, so you don't so you know I'm not just faking around here. Okay, so what we have seen here is we moved again down yesterday, or on the 27th actually, we moved down back here, the same here, and since then we had a good nice move up. But the resistance we are currently facing is the 11,600. So let's go into the daily chart, and we see, as I said, and I find this really really bullish, to be honest, and I said that in my last video too. It is this line here that we found support. And there is not just me telling you that there is support. There are a lot of articles going on right now where exactly the same is explained. Because what we see here, we had a resistance here, but we have stabilized situation around here, and then we had 1, 2, 3, 4 tries to go further down, and it didn't happen. And this is a good sign that we could now actually see a really bullish run upwards, and we are at 11,630 right now, and we could move back up to almost 12,000 in just several days. There's a public holiday in the United States, I think on the next week. I don't know which day exactly. But there will be some moves going on, I can guarantee you that, because Bitcoin is still trading, as you know. So I would say the 11,775 to go back to this level here, that would be essential to not have a drop back down. But currently the trend is really good. There's like, we made the 600 right now. I can't guarantee you we stay there. Then we have the weekly chart, and for the weekly chart we are just 13 points away to see a green here, and this would be so good to see a green here, guys. I tell you this, if like 2 weeks with red line, red candles, we could handle this. But nevertheless, if you have a green candle here, this would be really, really bullish for us, because yes, we have a consolidation week. We have tried to go to 12,400 and we didn't make it, and we have gone down back to 11,100, and now it's a time to really try to move further up. And so we could see here till October a price of maybe 13,000 if we are good. If we are making the same move here after, we could go even further up to 14,000. So yeah, we are like literally just 10 points away, close to turning a green candle here. We have done it already an hour ago, so this would is really, really important that we manage that. It didn't look like it actually for the entire weekend, but right now we have a chance to do so. And you see that we had here some resistance going on with the $600. We had tried to go over here today in the morning at 3:30. We tried it here again at 3 p.m. We didn't manage it here, we didn't manage it here, and we had some big moves going on here, which I would actually say that there was some kind of closeouts going on, or some people have put like a sell position in at 11,600. So there was a big move happening just an hour ago. And then we had a second move which was happening here, and now we are moving back up. So it could have happened that this one was just like getting out some positions that were open here, and now we are actually in a really bullish situation, because you see we are just right above this point we had today in the morning. So if we are lucky, we could actually easily see pretty fast the 700 mark, if we again are a bit lucky that the trend holds on. Yeah. So tonight again there will be a decision where the market goes, depending on the indexes. If the when the index S&P 500 opens at 12 o'clock, but right now we are looking really good to first of all make a green candle here, which would be really bullish, as we have seen here. Still we are at such a height that we weren't for the most of the time in the history of Bitcoin. So let's see what's going to happen. So guys, if you liked my video with this detailed analysis and the trades I have showed you from my portfolio with volume or position of $5,800, I would really appreciate your support. And yes, now you see it has turned green, as I just predicted. We made another 10 points, and let's see that we keep this up till tonight. This would be really great. So guys, I wish you all a nice Sunday weekend and a good start into the week, and take care guys. Bye.